Meeting planners want to know what you speak about. eSpeakers keeps a master list of hundreds of topics, and you can select up to 6 of them to highlight on your profile. I'll show you how. Over at espeakers.com, sign into your account. And then we're going to edit your profile, and I'll show you where you can review and change your speaking topics. On the left-hand side, go to My Profile, and then click Edit Your Profile. There's a menu here on the left, and I'm going to go to Expertise. You'll see 6 drop-down lists. Each list contains a complete selection of topics. Use the first drop-down list to choose your most important topic. The order is essential. You only need to select a single topic, but you can choose more topics if you speak about other things. Some speakers like to use all 6 topic boxes, so they come up for more searches. Other speakers like to only use 2 or 3, so meeting planners can see that they are focused. Both are good strategies, but be aware that your choice does say something about you. Remember, you should have a program for each topic you've chosen. We can review programs in a later video. There's this neat thing you can do with your biography where you can select a different bio text for each topic. We've got general use with your audience benefit statement on the top and the full bio down at the bottom, but using this drop-down, you can change the bio for a particular topic with individual messages for that topic so that potential buyers searching for that topic will see content that addresses the topic that they're interested in. You can have entirely separate text for each audience benefit statement and for the full bio for each of your speaking topics. When an event organizer searches by topic and views your profile, it will show the matching topic version of your bio if you've entered it. So let's go over to the eSpeakers Marketplace so that I can show you how this works. So let's say I'm a meeting planner and I'm doing a search for accountability. Searching for speakers is going to give me anyone who has the keyword of accountability in their profile. It will prioritize people who use accountability as the topic of one of their 6 categories. And look, here's Zeke Ridges right here. Not only does he have the topic, he also has the keyword right here. Do you notice how his bio is the specific bio we selected for this topic? The keywords improve the likelihood of getting shown in the eSpeakers directory. When a buyer searches our marketplace directory for a topic, even ones we don't provide as topics, you will come up in the search if your profile has those keywords in it. These are the areas that our system searches when looking for keywords: the audience benefit statement, the About section, your program titles, and the program body text. If you have experience in blockchain or the military or pantomime, include those keywords in these sections and it'll help you show up in more searches.